Hello student, today we are going to discuss the third chapter, that is data handling. So let's start. Data. Data is a collection of information. Data are two types. One is primary data, second is secondary data. Primary data, data that you or your colleague collect specially for the purpose of answering your research questions, means data which you have got directly, is called primary data. And secondary data, existing data collected for another purpose that you employ to answer your research question. Secondary data refers to data that is collected by someone other than the user. Common sources of secondary data is information collected by the governments, organizer record, and data that was originally collected for the other research purpose is secondary data. So data is a collection of information. Next, data can be represented through bar graph, histogram, pie chart, and double bar graph. Bar graph data can be represented in bar, is called bar graph, and histogram data can be represented in bar and there is no gap between two bars, whereas in bar graph there are uniform gap between two bar, is called bar graph, but in histogram there is no gap. And data is represented in a graph. Two sets of data, means sets of data, a pair of data represent in a graph is called double bar graph. If one set of data represent in a graph. Then pie chart or data represent in a circle is called pie chart. So there are several type of uh, data represent. A little girl has a birthday which she got many gifts. She wanted to see her gifts. When she opened up her gift, he found many gifts, and when she opened up her gift, she has found 7 toys, 3 books, 6 pen, and 5 chocolates. These are the gifts she got. And this data can be represented in frequency distribution table. Frequency, the number of times a particular entry occur, means how many times a number of items occur, is called frequency. So this data can be represented in a table, it's called frequency distribution table. Let's represent this data. There are several items, that is chocolate, toys, pen, and book. Chocolates, there are 5 chocolates, so frequency is 5. So in tally marks we can represent 4 vertical lines and 1 diagonally. We can cut that 4 section, 4 lines. And 7 toys, so frequency is here 7. And she got 6 pen, so frequency is 6. And the frequency of book is 3 because she got 3 books. So these are the frequency distribution table of data, the given data. Next is mean, median, mode of the data. So let's start. First is mean. Mean is the average or norm. Add all of the values to find the total and divide the total by the numbers of value. Here 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. These are the raw data. When you add up to, this is 32, value is 32. When you add this number and total is 7 numbers are there, so 32 by 7 is 4.57. So mean of this data is 4.57. And don't confuse with average and mean, both are same. Average or mean is equal to sum of all data values divided by number of data values. These are the raw data 15, 13, 18, 16, 14, 17 and 12. When you add up to, we got 105 by 7, 105 by 7, 105 by 7 is 15. So mean is 15. Next is median. Median is the median number in a set of numbers that are the order from smallest to largest. Mean in we have if we have a raw data When you arrange in ascending order, means smallest one first, then next number, up to largest number. Arrange this number and find the mean median. Whereas 17, 17, 18, 21, 27. When you arrange this number, 18 is in the middle, so median of this data is here 18. Median is the middle value of the data. Remember that median is the middle numbers. When you arrange the numbers, and the middle number is the median of the data. Next is mode. What is mode? The number that appears the most often, means here our raw data 17, 17, 18, 21, 27. 17 occurs here 2 times, so mode of this data is 2, whereas 18, 21, 27 occur 1 time, so mode of this data is 17. Next, range. Range is the difference between highest and lowest value. Here highest value is 16 and lowest is 13. We have a raw data, then arrange it into ascending order, then find out the range. Range is the difference between highest and lowest. 16 minus 13 is 3, so range of this data is here 3. So summary is, mode is the value that appears most often in a set of data. Range, difference between highest to lowest values. Median is the middle numbers that list of the number order from lowest to highest. And mean is the total number of values divided by the number of values. These are the summary of chapter 3.